Alright, so you're probably wondering why you're staring at the decor wall clock. And you may also be wondering, okay, you got a glimpse of one there. That's not going to be the main one we're going to be focusing on this video. You're wondering why everything's over here and what this extra ticking is. Well, everyone, I want you to meet my latest project. This is not my own. This is actually for someone in real life that I know. So everyone, I want you to meet the Ingraham Bim Bam Tambour mantle clock. Janky leveling system, but if it needs that to be level so it can run, so be it. This one is a wonderful Bim Bam clock. It's been in her family for years. And there's some work that needs to be done to it. It needs to be cleaned and oiled. I don't have the proper materials, but it does need bushings. But I'm going to be cleaning and oiling the movement for her. And I need to fix time regulation, because sometimes it runs perfectly fine, sometimes it runs slow. But I guess I can go ahead and demonstrate the chimes. I just have to stop the clock. This has count wheels striking. So I'm gonna go ahead and there's the passive half-hour strike. There's a count wheel. And then we're just going to move this up to the 12. Because I'm going to move the clock around to the back. And I will be right back while I do that. Alright, and then here's the back of the clock. Are you serious? Why is it not? It's more even, but yeah, this is an old, worn out movement. If I could just kind of get in there, I'd be able to see a bit of rust, but yeah, you could just see there. And it's filthy too. Look at all that oil left. That's why I need to clean it. But, oh, hang on. But yeah, there's the movement. Here's the back of the door. Bristol, Connecticut, E. Ingraham. Duplex Magic. Oh, look at that. Established 1823. Alright, so now I'm going to give a demonstration of this clock. You can see the passive strike. But, yeah, that's really it about this clock. Needs to be regulated, but I wanted to do the video for you guys, so that way you had some content. But, yeah, let's go ahead and flip this clock around back to the front and end off this video. Alright, and then we're going to end out the video by closing the bezel, which needs to be tightened, but yeah, thank you everyone for watching. If you're new around here and you like clocks, feel free to subscribe. And if you just like hearing the chimes, again, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.